My, sadly enough, it's raining this morning. Light rain, but still I think the route will be a bit harder and a bit more slippy today with the motorcycle. But yeah, it's good for the experience to get to ride a bit in mud. What I'm not looking forward to is packing all the wet gear in right now, because that sucks. Especially the tent, because you lose your shelter to hide from the rain. But that's why we camp mostly nearby shelters, because then we can pack in our gear and run to the shelter and lay it down over there. Let's wait out the rain, and we'll be back at you. Tot zo.
I don't know where we are, baby. We've been holding on for so long. Are you counting our days now, baby? Is the vibe still there, still strong?
Tent packed in. Luckily there was no rain anymore, so now we're going to quickly pack in our stuff into the bags and make sure the stuff that doesn't get wet. Continue up the tent, and we're planning on campfire cooking, so I'm really hoping that it stays dry today, but we'll see. Tot zo!
What's really great about the rainy stuff is that a week ago, before we went to Sweden, it was really dry in Sweden, and there was a fire ban. In most areas they have two different types of fire bans in Sweden. One that you may not make a fire at all, and then they have the regular fire ban. And the regular one, you can still make a fire at campfire pits or at shelters if you follow the guidelines. So we were quite lucky that a week before we came to Sweden, the rain started up, because it was dry for almost 4 weeks.
Even in the rain, it's still beautiful, right?
Still super beautiful.
It's more of a Walking Dead kind of beautiful. But oh shit. So, one thing about campfire cooking is you need fuel. So Emma is riding with about 40 liters of firewood on the back. As you can see, we fastened them with the rock straps from a Durstan, and they're pretty tight. With two rock straps, it's fine. It's always a bit of a hassle, but you can never just say if there's wood at the place you're camping, and it's rained a lot, so we really want to make a good fire, because our dinner depends on it. So we kind of need some firewood.
Yeah. Last year we also camped at the same spot, and at that time there wasn't any firewood, so we had to buy some.
Yeah, and it was a real hassle back then, because the gas station didn't have one at the time, or didn't have any firewood at the time. So we bought it from some random lady.
Yeah.
But which was a dodgy exchange in itself, by the way. But if you want to know more, you need to check out that episode.
Yeah. Oh, that was so funny. So there are two shelters at this spot. One really beautiful one at a walled water, bit of a waterfall even. But we're not going to go to that one, because it is a bit more dark, and there are likely more flies up that
yeah,
that
I
spot.
think there are a lot of mosquitoes there.
Yeah, that's to the right over here, and we're going left. Aha.
Oh man.
Yep. Looks amazing. Good to be back.
What you do to me is in confliction, a straight contradiction with my mind. Guilty pleasure has a bitter taste. In the end, my friend, are you sure you wanna fight? Ooh, has got that time, not me.
The tent is standing, and Luc has already prepared the grill. Like I said, I'm glad it rained a lot lately, because there isn't a fire ban anymore. So let's light the fire. Luckily, starting a campfire while motocamping is really easy.
A good meal after a long day of riding can be really rewarding as well. One downside is that you need the right gear and a bit of creativity to pull it off, because you don't have a lot of packing space. So for instance, we have a very small grill, so we put the chicken on skewers to make sure they don't fall in the fire, and we use titanium plates that double as a cutting board or pen to save on space. So now I gotta make sure not to burn stuff, so we actually get a good meal out of it. So that's all.
My dinner was really good, and we noticed that the dude, a bit shifty dude, walked past a few times already. So we don't feel really comfortable over here. We've got our tent standing, and of course we're a bit tired of the long day of riding. We're gonna think about what we're gonna do and see if he gets back again, and we will be back at you. Tot zo.
So, short update. We're staying here. The shifty guy walked past again, and I approached him and spoke to him, and apparently he's another camper and stays further up with his wife. Just goes to show how easily you can misjudge a person or a situation, and maybe go into your own mind a bit too much. And it's good to just approach people and talk to them, because it makes them a person, and that really helps. Yeah, now it's as you can see, it's getting a bit dark, so we're going to get some sleep to be fresh in the morning for our ride tomorrow. And yeah, we'll see you there.
In the next video, the off-road riding is gonna get a bit harder. But first, take a moment to relax by watching this video where we camp at a beautiful spot next to a waterfall.
Oh.